try.
Okay.
Well, today we're making kinetic sand. Kinetic sand is 98% sand. It's that sand that's kind of at the beach where you can make things, you can shape things. We're going to try to make it here in our kitchen. So stay tuned to see what's next. London, what did you say this looks like?
Oh, this looks like the sand.
The sand that you see where?
At the beach. At the beach.
Yeah, at the beach.
I love it.
Guys, the first thing you're going to need is 6 cups of plain sand. And you're also going to need some measuring cups, some cornstarch, some tea tree oil, or as I have here, lavender and tea tree oil mixed, and some dish soap. You're going to need some measuring spoons. And guys, you'll probably need 2 to 3 big containers. These girls are so super excited. Are y'all ready to begin?
Yes.
To make sand?
Yes. Yes.
Lundy's already in the sand. First, we're going to start scooping out our first cup of sand. And remember, it's 6 cups of play sand. That's 1, 2. Next, we're going to add 1.5 cups of cornstarch to our 6 cups of sand. London, you're adding in the 1/2 cup of cornstarch. And Layla's adding 1 cup of cornstarch. All right, so guys, that was 1.5 cups of cornstarch. And now, yep, pull your sleeves back. And now we mix the cornstarch with the sand. And you want to mix well.
I don't have my sleeves up.
Well, yours are right, so. Oops, sorry, Lonnie. So we got to mix it good, girls. We're mixing the sand and the cornstarch. How does it feel?
Good. Soft.
Yeah. Feels like sand at the beach, huh?
Yeah. And smoke is coming up.
Yeah, that's because we're mixing the sand and the cornstarch. We finished mixing up the sand and the cornstarch. Now it's time for us to do our water and our dish detergent mixture. Now in the water, I'm going to be adding the lavender and tea tree. And this is to keep your sand from molding, as well as it'll give it a nice fresh scent. We have our 3/4 cup of water. And to that, we're going to let Lunny add in our lavender and tea tree oil. And Lunny, can you give us like 2 shakes? 1, 2... maybe a couple more shakes. All right. And in our other container, Layla is pouring the 3/4 cup of water with the essential oils, and that was lavender and tea tree. And now we're going to get ready for our dish soap. And we need 2 teaspoons, girls. So let me find a teaspoon. It's a little one. Let's see where a teaspoon.
I want one.
Oh, wait a second. Here it goes. Here, I found it. It's this one. So I'm going to squeeze and you'll add. Layla's adding in the 1st teaspoon of dish detergent. And London's adding in the 2nd teaspoon of dish detergent. Guys, it wasn't real particular as far as the type of dish detergent. So since we bought Dawn for a lot of projects, we decided to use Dawn. Now we add this soapy mixture to our sand and cornstarch. Girls, you ready to mix? All right. Hands in. Mix it around. Mix it really good. It's kind of feeling like mud, huh?
Is it sand?
Look at your hands, Lonnie. Keep mixing.
It's kind of like mud.
Keep mixing. It said mix it well. All right. Well, guys, we've come to the conclusion that we need to add more soap and water to our sand because it's not quite kinetic. Girls, we're going to have to add more soap and water. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Mix, mix, mix. How's it feeling?
Better.
Better? Okay. Well, let Mama help you.
What, Daddy?
This is super cool. Kinetic sand. The girls are having a ball down there. So I've just kind of tuned them out. They're enjoying it, so they're doing their own thing. But let me just give you a quick example. this is what we started with. This is our regular sand. I'm just going to pour it here on the counter. And this is our super cool kinetic sand that we've made. It's kind of hard and yet soft all at the same time. If you can see it just forming out in my hands, but at the same time, look at this. I can squeeze it and squish it. Super cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and give you a quick test of what we actually made. All right, and here we go. And kinetic sand.
Let me show the boys how to do sand.
Super cool. The girls are in love with this stuff. Well, guys, here you have it. Kinetic sand. Less mess. Yeah. Another successful experiment. Thank you so much for watching. The girls have kind of left. London's still over here. London, can you help me tell everybody bye?
Bye.
Say thanks for watching me make sand.
Thanks for watching me sand.
All right, she did it. Well, guys, again, thank you so much for watching. Bye.